If you're still letting bills hit your account whenever they want, you're doing it wrong. This one change removed the stress of surprise debits. It gave me full control over my budget, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it using UpBank. In the past, before I set this up, I'd log into my account and see a healthy bank balance, and then a random bill would drop and suddenly half of it was gone. It was unpredictable, it was stressful, and it made it so much more difficult to plan ahead. Most people have their pay, their daily spending, and their bills all under the same account. And that's a recipe for chaos. It's the reason so many people are finding it so hard to get ahead. The fix is simple. Separate your bills completely. Give them their own account and control exactly when they come out. For me, that's using UpBank. It's the cleanest, most simplest tool I've found for this. So what is UpBank? It's a digital-only Australian neobank. It's backed by Bendigo Bank and Adelaide Bank. There are no monthly fees, no international fees, and it's packed with smart features for managing your money. 2 features I use every single month is the upcoming payments feature. It predicts and lists every single bill before it's due, and the spendable balance feature. It tells me exactly what is safe to spend after bills are covered. Okay guys, so this is the tutorial on UpBank. As you can see, this account is only for bills and subscriptions. No coffees, no impulse spending, no impulse shopping, and this is just only for my fixed expenses. So the best feature that I love is if we go in activity where we are now and we click on upcoming, you can actually see all of the payments before your next pay. So if we scroll down, you can see the month and the date and the item and also the amount. So you can actually get a total at the top where you can actually deposit your money when you know how much to put into the account. So this is for my current month, but if we scroll down, it'll actually show the next month's amount on the top right here. And for later payments for the future, so it could be yearly. So you just have a good snapshot of this. You can also add manual payments. For example, if you're using Canva, it's got it here. Set the monthly amount, say $15. You can do fortnightly, continue, and set the actual charge date. And there you go, you just click on confirm and complete. Now let's go back. The other feature that I use sometimes is Insights. It gives you a snapshot for the month of what you've been spending. So we can check the previous months. So we can actually switch it from payday to a weekly snapshot, or a monthly, yearly, or even for the financial year. If we switch to up section and we go down to where it says cards, you can actually generate a digital card or use a plastic card. You can change the details, the PIN, you can configure it. For the digital card, I think there's a longer expiry, so I use both. If we go back, now all these other features like Hook Up a Mate or Perk Up or Happy Hour, I mainly use the upcoming feature here. But to show you a few other bits and pieces, we can check the savers section here. And it gives you like goals that you can actually select or you can create. So if we click on savings, this is just like small change that rounds up after every bill. What we can also do here is click on upgrades. We can actually lock it from impulse spending. So click continue. You can actually choose a friend to give you faster access if you really need the money. But we'll skip it for now and we just swipe it to lock. So now what you can do is you go back into it, you can actually unlock it, but this is just for that extra friction so you don't have temptation to use it. You can hide it. Now it's hidden, so you don't even see it. You can also boost the roundups. So all the spare change, you can actually add an extra $1 or $2 or $3. I'll stick it to $2 here. And that's that.
you can talk to the chat support. They're pretty responsive from my experience, and I've had no problem with them so far. If we're in the activity section here, you can see what's available and also what's spendable here. You do actually have a bank account. What you can do is you click the three dots here and it'll show you the details of your bank account and your pay ID if you need it. So that's a quick overview of UpBank.
So guys, the big win here is predictability. I'm never caught off guard. My main account is safe for living, safe for saving, and safe for investing. My bills account is for bills only. Once you run your money like this, you can't go back to letting bills hit whenever they want. So here's my monthly routine. My pay lands in my main account. The next day, I send the exact bill amount to UpBank. All my bills hit within around 48 hours, and at the end of the month, I review my insights, I cut any unnecessary spending, and renegotiate any other bills. People who win with money don't leave bills to chance and the account that they come from. If you want a predictable, stress-free budget, give your bills their own accounts. Make them work on your schedule. UpBank just makes it a little bit more simple. There's a link in the description where you can sign up. It's my affiliate link, so you'll be supporting the channel while setting yourself up for better money control. If this video helped, hit subscribe. I make videos on money systems, preparedness, and living life on your terms. Stay sharp, stay dangerous.